Welcome back to Time for Change Kitchen. I'm Danielle Bassoni. Today we're going to make a vegan mozzarella cheese. I would love to tell you that this is my recipe, but it isn't. And I'd love to tell you whose recipe it is, but I frankly don't know. It has been passed down to me from somewhere I can't remember, and it's such a good recipe that I don't want to take credit for it, but I also don't want to not use it because it's very, very good. And so I'll just show you how to make it. We start with a quarter of a cup of raw cashews, 1 garlic clove, a tablespoon of lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to have to eyeball this because I don't have a 3/4 measurement. That looks about right. Okay. And this calls for 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour or tapioca starch. And a cup of hot water. So we just blend these together and then we'll take it to the stove and cook it for a few minutes. Always use your earplugs when you're using high-powered equipment to protect your ears. Once your hearing's gone, it's gone, so we may as well take care of it. Okay. So that's all there is to it. Now we'll move to the stove and, well, I think I'd better scrape down this thing and get some of those pieces of cashews. Okay, so now we'll move to the stove. Okay, we've moved to the stove where I've poured the contents of my blender into a saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir vigorously and continuously with a whisk to prevent clumping, scraping the sides down often. The mixture will quickly thicken. It is important to continue whisking thoroughly. Periodically, lift your whisk and observe whether the mixture is beginning to form threads similar to mozzarella cheese. It will not be stringy, but the threads will begin to form that are a bit thicker than strings. This is the texture we are looking for. Once you are satisfied that the mixture is thick and the threads are forming to your satisfaction, turn off the heat. Transfer to a glass bowl and set aside to cool. Use immediately or move to the refrigerator for later use. So there you have it, quick and easy vegan mozzarella cheese you can use for pizzas, calzones, lasagnas, and most situations that call for mozzarella. I'm Danielle Bassoni, serving up whole foods for whole health.